You're welcome to Arabic Speaking Mastery Class, Lesson 4, and the topic is I arrive at school. أصل إلى المدرسة. Let's get started. So we're going to start with تعبير expression. أصل إلى المدرسة في الساعة السابعة. I arrive at school at 7 o'clock. أشاهد رفاقي وأساتذتي. Take note, it is أشاهد, not أشاهد. I see my friends and teachers. أحيي أساتذتي. I greet my teachers. Now let's have the word translation. So أصل means I get to or I arrive. إلى to. المدرسة school. في in. الساعة hour. السابعة 7. Say 7th hour or 7 o'clock. Ushahidu means I see or I view. So you can use ushahidu for different purposes. For example, ushahidu at-telfaz. I am viewing the television. I'm observing. I am seeing also. Rifaqi, my friends. Asatidati, my teachers. Uhayyi, I greet. Asatidati, my teachers. Now let's have the mufradatun, vocabulary. So the first thing here is rifaqun, friends. Asativatun, teachers. As-sa'atu sabi'a, 7 o'clock. Now let's have the conjugation from madin, past tense, to mudari'un, present tense, and amrun, command tense. So we're starting with wasala. So wasala is the verb he arrived. Then the present is yasilu, he arrives. And the last, sil, not sol now. It's sod kasra si. Sil, arrive. Hayya, he greeted. Yuhayyi, he greets. And hayyi, greets. So we still continue with the last verb, that is shahada, he viewed, he saw, he observed. Yushahidu, he sees, and shahid, see. So let's have the conjugation with the respective pronouns. So we're going to start with wasala, he arrived. Wasalta, you arrived. And wasaltu, I arrived. So we're going to look at the present form of this verb to arrive. So yasilu, he arrives. Tasilu, you arrive. Asilu, I arrive. So we're going to look at the next verb, which is shahada. So we are adding the pronouns in the front now, in the past form. He saw. Shahadta, you saw. Shahadtu, I saw. Now let's have the present conjugation of the same verb. Yushahidu, he sees. Tushahidu, you see. And ushahidu, I see. So let's have the conjugation for to greet, past form. Hayya, he greeted. Hayyayta, you greeted. And hayyaytu, I greeted. Now let's have the present conjugation for the same verb. Yuhayyi, he greets. Tuhayyi, you greet. And uhayyi, I greet. So the next thing is to have the hiwar, which is conversation. متى تصل إلى المدرسة? When do you arrive at school? أصل إلى المدرسة في الساعة السابعة. I arrive at school at 7 o'clock. من تشاهد? Who do you see? أشاهد رفاقي وأساتذتي. I see my friends and my teachers. Now let's have the حوار conversation in the past form. متى وصلت إلى المدرسة? When did you arrive at school? وصلت إلى المدرسة في الساعة السابعة. I arrived at school at 7 o'clock. من شاهدت? This is a past form now. Who did you see? شاهدت رفاقي وأساتذتي. I saw my friends and my teachers. Take note, رفاقي, my friends, وأساتذتي, and my teachers. Now let's have some مراجعة of the verbs. That's revision. So أحيي means what? I greet. وصلت, I arrived. أشاهد, I see. And the last is تصل, you arrive in the present form. Now it's time for you to have the quiz. So it translates. I arrive at school at 7 o'clock. So this is the present form. Take note of that. أصل إلى المدرسة في الساعة السابعة. I see my friends and my teachers. أشاهد رفاقي وأساتذتي. The last is I greet my teachers. So you start with أحيي. أحيي أساتذتي. I greet my teachers. Now let's have the test in the past form. I arrived at school at 7 o'clock. So you're going to start with وصل, then you put the to there to mean وصلت إلى المدرسة في الساعة السابعة. I saw my friends and my teachers. شاهدت رفاقي وأساتذتي. The last is I greeted my teachers. حييت أساتذتي. Shukran, thank you so much. We're going to meet in the next class. Goodbye.